Organizing your space just got simpler with Liberty Hardware's versatile magnetic hooks. Designed to stick firmly to any metallic surface, these hooks offer a quick and damage-free solution for hanging keys, accessories, photos, and more. No drilling required, just magnetic strength you can count on. Each set includes 4 polished nickel hooks crafted from durable steel. Their sleek design blends seamlessly with any decor, adding both function and style. Whether you're tidying up your kitchen, office, or entryway, these hooks keep your essentials within easy reach while maintaining a clean, organized look. What sets these magnetic hooks apart is their powerful magnet. Customers rave about how securely they hold up items without slipping or falling off. That means no more worrying about hooks coming loose or damaging your walls. Just reliable organization wherever you need it. Liberty Hardware isn't just about hooks. They're about the details that make your house feel like home. From classic bronze drawer pulls to kitchen cabinet hardware, their products combine quality and distinctive design. They offer everything you need to upgrade your space, whether you're tackling a full renovation or a simple weekend project. If you're looking for an easy way to add storage and style without the hassle of tools or holes, these magnetic hooks are worth a look. Their strength, durability, and polished finish make them a smart choice for any home or workspace. Try them when you're ready to organize smarter, not harder. With Liberty Hardware magnetic hooks, what you get is more than just hooks. You get peace of mind and a tidier space. These hooks bring order to cluttered areas without permanent changes, making them ideal for renters or anyone who values flexibility. Ready to upgrade your organization game? These hooks offer a simple, stylish solution that fits your lifestyle. From hanging keys by the door to displaying photos on your fridge, they help keep your daily essentials front and center. Explore Liberty Hardware's family of brands to find more ways to personalize your home with quality and thoughtful design. When small details matter, these magnetic hooks deliver on both function and style, making your home easier to live in and enjoy.